Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, we will compare the top 10 Linux distribution of this year. Without wasting time, let's dive in and explore the diverse world of Linux distribution. Before we begin comparing the top 10 distribution, let's briefly explain what a Linux distribution is. Linux is an open source operating system and a distribution is a specific flavor of Linux bundled with various software packages and customization, making it suitable for different users and the purpose. The first one is our Ubuntu, the all-rounder. Uh, Ubuntu is a friendly and highly popular distribution known for its ease of use. Ubuntu offers a polished desktop environment and a vast community support base. It is the best choice if you are beginner or you want to use your Linux as a professional because it has a vast community to support you for any problem or difficulties which you get. The second one is Fedora, uh, a distribution sponsored by Red Hat. It is known for being at the forefront of the open source innovations, making it a favorite among developers and tech guys. Fedora has a frequent release, its software packages, and it has Genome and Unity desktop environment, and has a long-term support. The next one is Debian, the granddaddy of all the Linuxes. Debian, often considered the granddaddy of the Linux distribution, is a robust and a stable choice. It formed the foundation for many other distributions, including Ubuntu. High software repository with thousands of packages, highly stable and reliable for server environment, and Debian also offers multiple desktop environment. So guys, Debian is used in mostly in server side because it has a vast repository of packages and a high community support. The next one is Centos, the enterprise grade workhorse. Again, Centos is again used for web servers, database servers, and visualization. A nice choice for the software for the clouds and the warehouses. It's ideal for web server, databases, and the visualization. The next one is our Arc Linux, do it yourself, but there is a problem with this one. It need a little bit experience on the Linux, which is that's why we will not recommend Arc Linux as the first for the beginners. It's a lightweight and highly customizable. The next choice is OpenSUSE. Again, one of my favorite Linux distribution. It's a stable and specifically I like its system configuration tool YAST, yet another system tool which allow you to configure the Linux very easily. And again, SUSE also provide a lot of desktop environments for the users. The next one is Manjaro user-friendly Arc. It is based on the Arc, and it has a variety of. It has access to all the Arc vast repository. It's a user-friendly installer and automatic hardware detection. As we earlier say, Arc Linux need a little bit experience to get the experience of Arc Linux. You can, as a beginner, can install or choose Manjaro distribution. Next one is our Linux Mint. It is designed with user experience in mind. It offers the out-of-box experience with a selection of desktop environment and pre-installed multimedia codecs. Guys, this Linux Mint will help you to run the multiple multimedia files which need some other installations on the other Linux packages. The next one is Elementary OS, which is elegant and simple. Again, it's a beautiful choice for the starter or the beginners, and it's has a beautiful interface. It has a Pantheon desktop environment, consistent and visually appealing design. And the next one is our Zozin operating system. It's a Windows alternative. If you are a Windows user, a Mac user, and want just the same look, then Zozin is your next choice as a good choice. Uh, Specifically, Zorin has a pre-installed Wine, which is helpful to run the Windows application. It's a beginner-friendly and easy to use and easy to install. The next one is our Solace Independent Efficient. Solace, again, it's known by its efficiency and it has a great details as well. It has a multiple desktop environment like Apache, Genome, and Mail desktop environment, and the Solace particularly focus on desktop performance optimization. And guys, at the end, this slide just show you if you have an old PC and which is not useful on Windows or not giving good performance on Windows or other operating system. Then these are the Linux flavor which will help you to run these operating system on that particular old machine. These machines like Poppy, Ubuntu, Linux Lite, and TX others will they need only 1 GB RAM or less and a little harder drive space. It will give you the option to just garbaging the old PC, then give them a new life. It will help you. If you have an old PC, then this is any one of these would be a good choice. Specifically, Ubuntu is based on the Ubuntu. It is much better than the others. This table just shows the top 10 distributions comparison with different parameters. And finally, guys, thanks for joining us today on this Linux adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe for more exciting contents. Feel free to leave comments below with your favorite Linux distribution or any question you may have. Until next time, happy Linux exploring.